Alright, today we're looking at a 2004 Toyota Highlander. It's the base model, salsa red in color. Okay, it's got 131,000 miles on it. We'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle. We'll start here on the driver's side. Right, everything's in good shape here. It does have the roof rails with the roof rack. Driver's side of the Highlander's in good shape. Alright, got the little wind spoiler right here. Small scratch back here on the back quarter panel. Okay. Or I should say the back bumper. Alright, everything else along the rear of the vehicle looks like it's in good shape. A little paint issue right up here on this part of the spoiler. And make our way down the passenger side. Everything looks good here. Just a little bit of paint chip right here, the side mirror. Okay. Everything else looks like it's in really good shape. The only other thing is a few paint chips here on the hood. Okay, just a couple little rock chips here and there, but it's an 04. It's got 131,000 miles. Alright, so the price will reflect that, but that stuff's to be expected, okay, to be aggressively priced. Let's go ahead and check it out on the inside. You got the gray and beige door panels. Nice cloth insert here. Power windows, power locks. It's got your JBL audio, okay. Got your power mirrors button here. Alright, it's got that beige cloth. Okay, driver's seat's in really good shape. It is a power driver's seat. Okay, floor mats look like they're in good shape. Got the center console here. Our middle console got your cup holders there. Alright, got some storage there. Passenger seat is in good shape. Cloth looks really good. It is an automatic. It's got your AM, FM, CD player, and cassette. Climate control area here. Okay. Then it does have your steering wheel audio controls. And then it's got your cruise control right over here. Alright, let's go ahead and check out the mileage. Alright, it's got 131,759 miles on it. Now that we've got it started up, give you another shot of the climate control area here. Got the clock right there. Move on down to the AM, FM, CD player, cassette. Okay. Once again, got your automatic. Okay. We'll go ahead and hop out. Take a look at the back seat. Alright, door panels back here look good. Got the cup holders here. Alright, back seat carpet's in great shape. No problem with it at all. Back seat cloth looks good. For an 04, these seats are in great shape. Doesn't even have a wrinkle in them. Cloth is well taken care of. Center console comes down. Got your cup holders there. Go ahead and give you a driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. I'm really impressed with the interior on this Highlander. Well taken care of. For an 04 with 131,000 miles. Back here, carpet's in great shape, nice and clean. Got your storage area under here. Okay, got your jack there. Got the sunshade too. Really nice on the interior. Let's take a look at the wheels and tires. Alright, we've got 16-inch steel wheels, and as you can see, there's a little bit of wear right here on the steel wheels. Okay, tires are in great shape, plenty of tread left on them. Alright, but for that matter, every steel wheel has a little bit, as you can see. But overall, this thing's in fantastic shape. Got a couple little rock chips here and there, a couple little issues with the paint. Nothing major, all minor stuff, things to be expected with a vehicle this old with this many miles. Okay, it's an 04, 131,000 miles on it. The interior is well taken care of. You got to come down and check this one out. Take a test drive, and thank you so much for watching the video.